In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two websites that you can use to start making up to $40 completing research studies. With one of these websites, I have already gotten paid, and I'm going to be showing you guys my payment proof. With the other website, I haven't gotten paid, but it is a legit website that you can start using to make money online. Please stay tuned until the end of this video to get more value from it. Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're seeing me for the first time. My name is Mpho, and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by clicking the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, with the first website that we're going to be looking at, it is a market research company called Catalyx. They look into improving products and services that people use daily. So here you will receive a market research study, and they're going to ask you different questions on how you can improve that product and service, and also some different questions about the product that will be in question. So this is what you can expect to get from this website. I'm quickly going to show you guys their website and how it looks like, and I'm going to tell you guys how you can get a study from this particular company, or my experience of how I was able to get a study for this particular company. This is the website that we're going to be looking at, and it is called Catalyx. This is how their homepage looks like. So as you can see, they have provided more information about the company, and also here they show you the type of products they have been working with, or the type of products they work with, or the companies they are working with, since this is a market research company. They also have further information that you can read right here, and also videos that you can watch. So the studies that you're going to be completing will be on your everyday groceries, or you're going to be saying your opinion on grocery stores. So it's nothing hectic. You're going to be maybe improving the product that you might be using every day. So these are some of the examples of the products that you're going to be reviewing, or the products that you are going to be talking about right here. So I'm going to explain a bit about how I was able to get the study, because this is not the website I got the study. So I'm going to be talking about how you can get a study with Catalyx, or my experience of how I was able to get a research study with Catalyx. So I was completing a normal survey that anyone can complete on why, since the survey was paying somewhere around 80 cents, but it was less than $8. While completing that survey, towards the end of the survey, they asked if I was interested in participating in a study that was quite different from the study that I was completing at that time, and I clicked on yes, and they requested my email address, which I entered. And then after a day or two, they send me an email, which I'm quickly going to show you guys. They're going to send you a study like this. As you can see, this is the study that they invited me to, and this is where I would click on enter so that I can create an account and start with the study that I was allocated to do. After sending that email, they also sent me another email explaining how I'm going to get paid, how much I'm going to get paid, the different activities that I'm going to be doing, and I'm also quickly going to show you that email right there. So they also send an email of the breakdown of activities that you will do on that particular study, and how much you're going to get paid for each activity. So here you can see that there were three main activities, and I was to be paid 250 rands for the three main activities. And then they also had additional activities that I was supposed to complete. And this one was an in-store shopping mission, and I was to be paid 200 rands for an in-store shopping mission. This one was an online shopping mission, and I was to be paid 150. And then I also had an online diary to do, and I was to be paid 200 rands. They were also going to select three champions that really put in the work and really put out available information, and they were to be paid each 500 rand. So the total amount of money that this mission or this study was paying was 1,000 rand that was going to be paid into your PayPal account. So 1,000 rand was to be made with this particular study. After creating an account, they're going to give you instructions that you should follow, and also give you a deadline of when all the activities or when the research study should be completed. And after that, if let's say you didn't complete all the activities, you're only going to get paid for the activities that you completed. So now I'm going to show you guys my payment proof. I think I completed 2 research studies from this website or from this company. So I'm going to show you guys my payment proof. So here I'm just going to show you the payment proof that I received from this study. I think I've got 2 payment proofs that I received from completing studies on this with this company. And the first one is this one right here. And here I got paid a total of $43.46 in US dollars, and it was paid by Catalyx SA, right? So this is for the project that I completed on their website. And yeah, this is how much I was to be paid. I think I was supposed to get paid more than this, but this is the amount that I got paid by this company right here. And the second payment was this payment right here. And this payment was supposed to be more than this, but this is the payment that I received. So this is the second payment that I received from Catalyx SA, and it was $7.95. It was sent by Catalyx SA, and it was for the study that I completed. And also, I think I was supposed to get more than this, but because I never completed all the activities within that study, I only got paid for the 2 activities that I completed. So for the second website that we're going to be looking at, it is a website that I recently discovered. I haven't completed any research study from this particular website, but I have applied for a couple of research studies, and once they have been completed and I got successfully paid, I'm going to come back to you guys and show you guys my payment proof and give you guys a feedback of how the website is. So I'm quickly going to show you the website and tell you more information about this particular website and how you can get started. This is the website that we're going to be looking at, and it is called User Research International, and this is how their homepage looks like. So as you can see here, it says, "And money, sharing your valuable opinion on daily use products, services, and technology." And then you're going to come down, and this is where you can have an idea of how this website works. You need to sign up and participate. You are then going to influence different products and services by saying your feedback so that they can improve their products and services. Not only that, you are then going to learn about the different technologies, different services, and different products. You're then going to get paid on your preferred payment method. So when we go down, after signing up, you need to complete your profile so that you can be allocated with the studies that matches your profile. And these are the different studies that you can come across. The first one is customers, and here it says everyone qualifies for a customer study, and there is no prior experience required for these studies. The second one is gamers, and they're also looking for people that are working in corporate that use Microsoft Office Suite and also Google Suite. They are also looking for people with disabilities and people in IT and different studies right here that you can find on this platform. So when you come down, you can have an idea of how much you can get paid on this platform. So here it says what to expect when participating. It further says for your valuable time and input, you will be rewarded with a price ranging from $75 to $350 via your preferred payment method. You can also invite your family and friends to these studies because they are always looking for people that are interested to make money by completing studies so that they can sign up on their database. So for you to get started or for you to sign up to this website, you come to the bottom of the page to where it says sign up and view studies. You need to verify your account and you need to verify your identity right here. And yes, guys, we have come to the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.